अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर टिश्यू पेपर लेने के लिए। तो देखना ये है कि सुपरमार्केट्स में टिश्यू पेपर स्टिल अवेलेबल है कि नहीं है। लेट्स गो। Right, I have arrived and it seems like it is really busy. So let's go and check it out inside. Take one more. It is busy, guys. Today's day is completely different and the shelves are empty. Hurry up, do your shopping. Right, let's go to the checkout and see if they let me take all the tissue papers. I did ask with your customer services. They said, yeah, I can have them.
But it's got signs of 2 per customer,
Well,
sorry.
this is 2.
Yeah, so you got 3.
Okay.
So which one?
You can have this one back then.
Okay, thank you.
No worries, thank you. I told you, you don't listen to me. Right, I've done my shopping. Let's get out of here, okay? I'm starving. I have to eat something, right? So I'm here to collect my food. Beautiful place, isn't it? Who gets the last slice? Who gets the last slice? Who gets the last slice? Obviously, that will be me. I'm the one who's working hard. I'm the one who's getting worried most. Right, let's go home and sort this out.